Just about every financial organization out there is promising help for customers impacted by the coronavirus pandemic. And at the top of the list, mortgage companies.
And a lot of them, Ed, are offering to defer payments and add them to the back end of a loan. But some are finding that process riddled with confusion. Our Ben Cimino is back with this story new at 6. Ben.
Yeah, Ed and Maria, the bottom line here, you are going to have to be your own best advocate and do not expect this process to be easy, at least judging by the story of one Norwood couple who called us.
All our work dried up. And
needless to say, the entire event industry has been affected by this.
Christine and Peter Poulos never expected to find themselves in this position. This Norwood couple makes their living as video photographers.
We've certainly had some downtimes, but nothing ever like this, where all of the income just suddenly stopped and all of our future bookings just suddenly stopped.
So, like a lot of people, they're navigating a financial freefall just ahead of what's typically their busy season of May and June.
that's gone. We don't have that. This is completely lost income.
They thought they could turn to their mortgage company, Bank of America, which last week announced mortgage customers could, quote, defer payments with payments added to the end of the loan. This release is directly from Bank of America's website. But when the Pouloses called, they were told simply no.
They said, we can't do that. That's not what we're offering. We were told that all we could do is defer the payments for 3 months, and that at the end of the 3 months, they would be due in full.
The problem for this couple and many others, they're not likely to make up the income they've lost, which means they won't be able to make several months' worth of mortgage payments in full by the summer.
That doesn't make any sense. It is not a help to anyone who has lost their income.
The bank did offer to review their situation in 3 months, but wouldn't send them the fine print and wouldn't make any promises about what would happen then. It's a disappointment for this couple, which has banked at the same branch in Norwood for 30 years.
We have our business account there, our personal account there, and our mortgage. And this is the way they treat us after all these years.
So we reached out to Bank of America for answers on this, and we learned that while they service the Poulos' loan, Bank of America doesn't own it. It's actually owned by Freddie Mac, which right now is offering less generous relief. Still, Freddie Mac says homeowners should call their loan servicer, which would send them back to Bank of America. The frustration in all this is that after 2 hours on hold this week, they couldn't get a clear explanation until we stepped in. If you've got a story for me, email me. The address is ben@wcvb.com.